Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Kynnx heavy duty chain binder set. So let's open this thing up and check it out. All right, so here it is. The chain binder itself is forged steel, so it's going to be super strong. It is rated for 6,600 pounds. So this is going to be great for securing equipment, machinery, cars, things like that. Let's see how well this ratcheting mechanism works. Yeah, works really well. Turns easily. Feels like pretty solid as it ratchets. Everything's fit firmly and tight. Then these hooks here on this one are for 5/16 to 3/8 chain. They do have different sizes available, so you can check out the sizes in the listing. And then they also send 20 foot of chain along, which is nice. There's going to be plenty of chain wrapping around. You get this thing hooked on, and then you can ratchet this to tighten it down securely. So you don't have to worry about your loads coming loose or not being tied tight enough. You just flip this mechanism here, and look how easily that unwinds. And this is all coated and painted. I see some of the inside threads here do not have paint on them. Not a big deal though. It's forged steel, so it's going to hold up for a while. The chain itself is galvanized, so that's also going to hold up for a while. And then the hooks on the end have clips. If you want to remove them and make your chain shorter, you can reuse your hook. So nice chain binder set here. If you need something like this, this is a great one. It's going to get the job done. Seems like really good quality, so make sure you check this one out.